Yeah, guys, we just went to go get flowers quickly. Yeah. We're not going now. Not coming. See your flowers, guys. I got so much flowers. Got this much flowers because there's a present. I really want to look inside here. So I'm just gonna ask my brother something.
Yes, now put the flowers in the van for your stuff.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna put it in. Move you. I'm gonna put the phone in. You want to give me? Not to leave it. Where do I put it here? Yeah, guys, so we got the present. My brother said it's for his girlfriend, Chantal. Is it the birthday today? I don't know really, actually. No, it's not actually a birthday because a birthday was like a long time ago. Steve, did you like butterflies? What's this for? I don't know. What's it for? Maybe it's for Nikki. Oh, for Chantal. Yeah, for Chantal. Maybe it's for Nikki. Maybe it's for Chantal. We don't know. Who's Nikki? Chantal's sister. Yeah, flowers are here.
How was your day? Always. They always are right.
Let's go stay here.
Yeah. Thank you.
Guys, let me show you. It's cute. Okay. Is it Chantal's birthday or Nikki's birthday?
No, man, it was Shanti's birthday, but I never got her anything.
Oh, so that's gonna be for her birthday. What did you buy her?
I'm gonna take a video when I get there, then I'll show you.
Okay, bye-bye. Guys, that's my sisters. That's my sisters.
Hey, wat? Hey, buddy!
Nice one, just telling. Yeah, I'm going to. Yeah.